Okay, we're looking at a nice trade setup here. Looks like a long setup, although we do have our short. Our masters already went short right here. And we're getting some breakdown. It looks like we may get a simple retracement in the tick and see a long setup develop. So we're going to go ahead and buy 10 contracts just at the market. 787.25 was our fill. And we're just going to target a couple points, go up to about 789.25. So we'll go ahead and put our sell limit there, 789.25. The great thing about this software is it does incorporate slippage. So we're going to hold this for a minute. Definitely taking advantage of some oversold conditions in the market this morning, but we certainly have momentum down to the negative side. In fact, it's such a prevalent trend that we might go ahead and just jump out early at around 500 in profit. So we'll go ahead and lower this down to 788.25, which is right there, and see if we can get filled. And we should be filled. Actually, I guess that didn't go through, so let's go ahead and sell market, and then we'll cancel all of our trades. So there we go. So there was a nice $625 in profit on our 10 lot for trading the ES in our trading room. It was going against the trend, but we definitely saw a setup to the upside. So we're going to go ahead and wait for our next setup right now. So I'll go ahead and pause this. Just wanted to go ahead and show you guys that actually we did reach our target, 789.25, traded through it at 789.50. It's always wise to go ahead and stick with your methodology, but given this market, the trend again is such to the downside, wanted to go ahead and book some profits. Actually got an extra $125 over the $500 in gains that we did net. So we'll just slow down here and wait for the next trade. Alright, we're going to go ahead and go in short right here. Looks like a nice little short setup coming in at 790.25. I've gotten in a little too early. 790.25 mark. We went ahead and got in at 790. The mark was at 790.25. Tick a slippage. And the reason we're getting in the short setup is here we've got a nice little, well, the zero level was holding in the tick. Looks like it's trying to break above right now. But we're at 790.50. Nice little round number of the 790, and most importantly, we're coming up against the albeit flattening upper side of this channel line right here. So we definitely should get a move back to around, we'll call it 786.64. So we're going to go ahead and put our target in right around, we'll say, we're in at 789.75 actually. Oh, there we go. So we'll go ahead and put our target in at 789 to buy. No, not 79.25. We'll go in at 789 to go ahead and exit this position. And hopefully we get kind of a fast move here. But for now, we're just going to hold steady. See where the market goes. We're at 790 holding right now. 791.50 is certainly upper level resistance, and getting pretty close. We're at 789.50. We're trying to get out at 789. So just 3 more ticks to the downside. We'll go ahead and get 25. If we can get a 25 tick, there we go, 25. So we should get out of that pretty easy. We need trying to get out at 789. We need a 788.75 tick to go ahead and exit that. There we go. So we just exited that trade. So now we're up $1,125 for the day, and we're just going to go ahead and wait for the next trade setup. Alright, that looks like it's going to be all for now. As you can see, that last short setup was very nice indeed. We're now trading at 85.25 on the market, so we could have held that one certainly for some nice gains. We did expect that to be resistance. Actually got a lower high, which is why you see this acceleration to the downside. And the tick putting in a nice little ET sell signal right there at 770. We should get a little bit of a bounce though, but nice 84.75 move. Tempting as it may be to take this long setup that we're getting right now at around 85. We're going to go ahead and call it a morning. So gains of 1125 on a 10 lot, trading the E-mini S&P 500 futures, reaching our target range of the day of $1,000 to $2,000. Want to book some profits every day. We're certainly within that range right now. And we may come back and do a little trading in the afternoon session, but right now we're going to go ahead and sign off with a nice little gain of 1125. We will see you next time.